Want to use 3S battery in your car? Buy metal parts ahead. In my case, I have to replace differential. The process is extremely simple. Unscrew all the possible bolts, replace the part, and try to assemble it back. Plastic diff looks pretty much solid, but believe me, it needs to be replaced. Metal one is almost the same. It has a bit longer curves, but I guess it's even better. By the way, can you spot at least 2 terrible mistakes that I did in this case? First one, I didn't apply grease. And the second one, I changed the differential, but I didn't change the gear, the metal one, on the drive shaft. And unfortunately, I had to do disassembling and assembling again in 2 days. Again. As you can see, dog bones all of the metal there. They were not like this on the stock machine. I changed it once I bought the car. And of course, if you need any reference, links, advice, just leave me a comment. It would be really nice to help you. Okay, I guess that's almost it. Suspension back in place. And we're ready to have fun again.
Mala fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy